I want to do an inspirational exercise with you. So I want you to start first by thinking about what that goal is that you have for yourself, whether it is a business or an organization. I want you to think about it and make it tangible. I'm going to give you 2 examples, and then I want you to create your own. Example 1 would be, I want to open up a profitable burger restaurant that will allow me to pay my employees well and also pay myself at least $60,000 a year. Another example might be, I want to have an organization that impacts or uplifts certain people, places, or things, setting a number, this many person, people, or things every year. So now you got your goal in mind. I want you to say it aloud and I want you to write it. I want you to pause the video or lock your phone and then come back to this video before we do the next part. All right, so press pause and then come back. So if you're listening now, that means that you've actually pressed pause, you've written down your measurable goal, you said it aloud. Here's the next part of the assignment. You have to commit to that assignment. You and anyone who assists you with it has to commit to that assignment. And you have to remember, and they have to remember, that it's not going to be a smooth process. I'm not going to say it's not going to be easy, because easy is very subjective, but everybody understands it's not going to be a smooth process. What that means is there's going to be road bumps. Speed bumps in the way. There's going to be obstacles in the way. There's going to be times that you're going to have to adapt. There's times that you're going to have to pivot. But if you are committed to that goal that you just put down, that measurable, attainable goal, you will achieve it. You're going to have to commit to it. You're going to have to expect the unexpected and be comfortable with it. So I hope this inspired you. And if it did, be sure to share it with others. Peace.